This DJ came out here at Walmart.
You know what I'm saying?
Little red.
Brother, you know what I'm saying?
Fresh off work. Get wrecked.
They had to be
nice.
back a couple times and they apparently got my tires.
Yeah.
They got your tire up. Try to edit some shit. Hey, the number is nobody should have shit. The number is I want to put dick.
Pump it, son.